Okay, everybody. So we're going to start with the teacher model. And this is showing you how you're going to revise your essays. So this is just the introductory paragraph. And I'm going to read it first, and then you're going to find what are some things that need to be edited or revised in this paragraph. All right, in the excerpt from Dark Day Wearing Golden Eye by Ray Bradbury, Harry is evidently disturbed by the mysterious Martian environment, pointing to his apprehension that colonization will be irreparably harmful to humankind. As he gets off the rocket, Harry is troubled. He imagines his family disappearing. The text evidence is away in smoke and small seeds. Bradbury's use of imagery and metaphor to describe Harry's family dissolving shows Harry's fear of colonizing Mars. So at this time, I want you to pause the screen and you're going to answer this question. What is the thesis of this paragraph? All right, as you guys can see that this is the feedback key at the bottom right here. This is the feedback key, and it tells you what you can improve with. And if we look here, we see very vocab. We see we need to combine and embed evidence here. We also see that we need to tell how and where Harry's family is dissolving. By vary vocab, that just means to use different vocabulary or change the wording. So that means that the wording that you use is just not precise, and you need to find a different vocabulary word to use in that sentence. Now, here is an example of a final paragraph. So this would not be the entire outline. This is just the final paragraph for the introduction paragraph. So this person went in and they edited it. So instead of it being bland, they added to it to have varied vocab. They added to it to include those revisions. Also, like elaborating on their thesis. So let's read the new model. In the excerpt from Dark Day Wearing Golden Eye by Ray Bradbury, Harry is evidently disturbed by the mysterious Martian environment, pointing to his apprehension that colonization will be irreparably harmful to humankind. With mere moments of stepping off the rocket, Harry is noticeably troubled as he imagines his family disappearing before his eyes. His wife whirling away in smoke and his children sown to the hills like seeds. Bradbury's use of imagery and metaphor to describe Harry's family dissolving into the new setting establishes Harry's initial fear of colonizing Mars. So as you all can see, this is more precise. It elaborates more on the text evidence they use, and it also has a better thesis statement, meaning it shows that they analyzed the prompt and not just restated the prompt. Okay, so now let's look at the unrevised version next to the final version. If you look at the unrevised one, you're here able to see that it's missing a lot of intricate details. So if you look here, we edited that here. Look and see how better it is in the final paragraph. Also, we edited here. This is the thesis statement. And the thesis statement is a little bit more detailed in the second paragraph. Alright, so as you can see up here, I color coded everything for you. So this is the color of the context. This is the color of the evidence. So those of you who are wondering how to do the context and the evidence, this is an example of giving context to evidence that you are about to introduce. So here is the context. It tells you what is happening before you actually use the quotes from the text. So can pause the screen here to take a look at this portion and the edits that are displayed on it. Alright, so now you're going to revise your essay, and just a reminder that the revisions will be based on the rubric. You want to make sure that you are improving your word choice, your sentence structure, and organization so that you can get higher points on the rubric. And these are the key points for how you can score higher. You can start at the beginning and read through each sentence in the paragraph. Insert revision cues. Vary your sentence structure, meaning all of your sentences shouldn't look the same. Just want to make sure that your sentences are informative and interesting. Use precise words and using transition words. So like therefore, next, after, things like that.